The exhaust setup is amazing, the sound is perfect. What do you guys think about the interior? And 3, 2, 1, start up. Wow! Downshift, downshift. Whoa! Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder, and in today's video we will be driving it, but for the last time, because in this video we will be saying goodbye to the iconic Huracan V10. As you guys have already noticed, Lamborghini showed us the successor of the Lamborghini Huracan, the Lamborghini Temerario. That car is coming with the V8 hybrid, and unfortunately the V10 will be discontinued with this model here. The Huracan is already fully sold out. There is no more car that you can actually go and order. They are going to start with the sales of the new Temerario soon. Let me also put you a clip of how the car sounds here. And now it's time to say goodbye. We will be taking the Huracan Evo Spyder out for a drive. As you can see, finished in Giallo Fides, one of my favorite colors. Looks absolutely fantastic. Just look at the car. The way it looks at you is astonishing. We have the V10, the 5.2 liter V10, producing 640 horsepower. I mean, the Huracan, we've had it since 2014, when Lamborghini back then showed us the base Huracan. We've had plenty of models, the Evo, the Performante, we had the Sterato, we had quite a lot of Huracan models, but this is one of my favorites. Let me also just show you the rear before we actually start with the drive. Here you go. How do you guys like it? And somewhere here you can actually have a closer look at the engine bay. The exhaust setup is amazing, the sound is perfect. So let's get on and let's start the drive. To open the doors, all you gotta do is good, and here you go. What do you guys think about the interior? Let's get on, start it up, and give you also a sound check. So here you go. Let me just close the door for you, and now we will be starting the car. Here you go. This is also finished in exterior color. Start the ignition, and now let's also switch it to Corsa, and 3, 2, 1, start up. Wow! Wow! The car is set in Corsa. Listen to this. The car revs all the way up to 8,000 RPM. The latest Temerario also goes up to 10,000 RPM. What a crazy sounding car. Let's get on, let's start the drive. Just put on the seatbelt and let's go. So I will be driving with the roof opened for a few meters before we close the roof and head on to the Autobahn. Crazy. You already hear how the exhaust valves open up at around 4,000 RPM? Here. Crazy sounding car. Closing the roof. Here you go. Quickly. And then you can see, watch how the cover moves all the way down. You do that right over here with this button. Here you go. So we are driving towards the Autobahn. It's so loud. Wow. And now it's unlimited, switching it to Corsa. Downshift, downshift. Wow! Driving onto the Autobahn again. Switching it to Corsa. Full throttle. Goodbye V10, thank you so much. Thank you Lamborghini for this amazing engine, for this amazing machine. This car is giving me so many goosebumps. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love the car so much. I could do this the entire day. Guys, goodbye.